How to use an Orca card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you actually use an Orca card. So using an Orca card is relatively simple. First of all, you have to acquire an Orca card. You can get an Orca card online at participating retailers, ticket vending machines, or customer service offices. You may need to pay one-time fee for the card itself, but this can vary depending on where you obtain it. Once you have the card, you will need to add a value to it. You can do this online, over the phone, or ticket vending machines, or at participating retailers. Alternatively, you can load a monthly pass onto your card if you plan to use it frequently. And when you board public transportations like buses, trains, ferries, equipped with the Orca card reader, simply tap on your card on the Orca reader located on the vehicle. Make sure to tap your card both when you board and when you exit the vehicle or the station. This is really important to ensure you are charged the correct fare. If you're transferring between different modes of transportation, for example from a bus to a train, make sure to tap your card again when you board the next vehicle. The system will recognize your transfer within a specific time frame and charge you accordingly. You can check the Orca card balance and transaction history online by calling the Orca customer service line, and this helps you keep track of your spending and ensure that you have enough funds on your card for your next trip. Registering your Orca card offers benefits such as balance protection and if your card is lost or stolen. You can also set up an automatic reloading, which adds value to your card whenever your balance falls below a certain threshold. Make sure to keep your contact information up to date if you register your card. This ensures that you receive most important notifications about your account. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use your Orca card for the convenient and seamless travel on public transportation in the Seattle metropolitan area. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thank you. See you in the next video.